All right, fam. Walmart Spark, curbside, 17 drop-offs, $84, 50 miles, 2 hours, 16 minutes. Walmart Spark. All right. Not sure if we're gonna get this order. Seems like there's a glitch today. Huh? Follow me on my journey. Let's go. Smash like, subscribe, turn on all notifications. Let's get it. All right. Press confirm arrival. Parking spot number 5. Confirm arrival. Parking spot number 5. Save. When they come out, give them the code. Today's code is 2333. All right, see you guys back in a minute. If you enjoy side hustle content, gig economy apps, live stream, make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Thank you. All right, I think they're loading up. I hope they're loading up. 5. So you just give the Walmart associate the number. Is it for me? Nah. It's for the guy next to me. He's been there for a minute. Oh man, they got 2 people working, but still kind of slow. Got MD driving the Camry. MD in the Camry, huh? Guess we gotta wait another 10 minutes. Decent order, but my guess is gonna take at least 2 hour 45. At least 2 hour 45. So always take the ETA with a grain of salt. Yeah. For all my new Spark drivers. I've been doing this since 2021 from Dayton, Ohio. So I always take the Walmart Spark ETA with a grain of salt, and same with the VHO. Always take the VHO ETA with a grain of salt. Flex, that's a give or take. Yeah. Sometimes Amazon Flex hook you up. 3.5 hour route become 1.5 hour. That happens to me a few times. Amazon Flex up same day. Yeah. That one is give or take, but Walmart Spark ETA and VHO ETA, always take it with a grain of salt, huh? Please smash like, subscribe, turn on all notifications. I'll see you guys back in a minute. All right, so to all my new drivers, yeah, every Walmart is different. Some curbside, when you pull up, they load up like within 1 minute. Some Walmart, I've been here for fucking 10 minutes now, and then one order has been removed. So it's just another $2 less, yeah. It is where it is, yeah. So the guy next to me, I'm guessing he was waiting there at least 20 minutes. So I guess I'll be here for 20 minutes. Been in this parking lot for 10 minutes now. So yeah, every Walmart is different. Some they're very fast, some they're fucking slow. There's been Walmarts where I wait like at least 40 minutes for a fucking curbside. So to all the new drivers, just learn which Walmart is the fastest, and that's gonna be your favorite Walmart, or learn which zone is the best zone. Yeah, those are my tips for new drivers out there. Got some bird food, whatever. Bird food, not dog food, chicken food, bird food, food. It's 50-inch TV. And then the rest are super light. The TV is light. It's just this is like 40 pounds. 17 stops. Let's get it.
That's 58th Avenue.
First one is 3 minutes, 0.8 mile. 3 minutes and 0.8 miles. Let's go. First one, first delivery. Next up, got Shannon Ryan. It's 5 items, so I think it's in the bag. All right, let's go to the back of the car. It's very similar to Amazon Flex sub same day. Very similar. Shannon Ryan. It's gonna be this one. Just scan it. Boom. And Spark versus Flex. Flex scans really fast compared to Spark, the barcode. The only downside is if the freaking Amazon employee, if they put the sticker on the barcode, and you have to take out that yellow sticker. But besides that, Amazon Flex sub same day scans very fast compared to the Walmart barcode. All right, let's go drop this bad boy off. Let's get it. Let's go. Boom. Snap a photo just like any other app. Let's go. Boom. On to the next. It's good.
Sure. So that it will not take effect in your metrics. Okay.
No worries.
Let me go ahead. Proceed. Would you able to see the trip number?
Um, let me see.
Hold on.
I don't see it on my end. No, I don't see the trip number. Only remember. Only know the customer address and name.
Yeah, may I have the name of the customer, please?
Name of the customer is Leslie Nelson.
Let me know then what they see on your app, please, so that I can proceed.
I'm still at start scanning.
Oh yeah, I need you to set up so that you can move to the next drop off. Since this is a batch order, we need to scan. Okay, we need to put it manually.
Okay.
All you need to do is tap to scan the barcode and then swipe up.
Swipe up. Okay. What is the barcode
sorry,
number? What is?
This order is no items for this customer, but
That's correct. Yeah. Walmart did not load this order.
sure, I'll just go ahead and remove. Okay.
What is the order number?
Correct me, the last four digits of the order number is 2675. Correct me.
That's correct. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Would you able to refresh the order ad, please?
Let me see.
For Leslie Nelson.
Yes, it has been removed. It has been. All right, we're good now.
All right. Is there anything else that I can help you with?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. That's all for today. Thank you so much.
All right.
Have a nice day.
Yep.
All right, guys. So, yeah, man. Walmart's still having issues. For some reason, Walmart employees did not load that order. So, and there's no function in the app to remove it manually. Yeah, they're still playing catch up versus Amazon Flex sub same day. They're still playing catch up.
Head east on West 56th
I've been
Circle
doing
on
Flex
Taft
since
Street, then turn left onto Taft
2019 or
Street.
2020. I've
Turn
been doing
left onto
Spark
Taft
since
Street, then turn left
2021.
onto West 56th Drive.
So yeah, man. With delivery, there's always issues coming up. You know,
Turn
something
left
new
onto
every
West
day.
56th Drive.
So after this, we got like three orders left. 3 orders left after this one. All right. See you guys back in a. Hi fam, current time is 7:45 p.m. So it took me a little bit longer than 2 hours, but I also took like 25 minutes to post Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and all that shit. Yeah. I know it wasn't gonna take 2 hours, 15 minutes, but I'm also a YouTuber, so there was some good dash cam footage today. Good dash cam footage, good YouTube Shorts content, Facebook Reels content, and so on. Yeah. So this route honestly would have taken 2 hour 55 minutes, I say. Mileage is correct, but it did not take 2 hour 15. So yeah, let's just say 3 hours, which is still decent. Yeah, 3 hours for what, 88? It's not bad. Yeah, it's not a clown route. It's not a banger. But overall, it's not bad. I'm also a YouTuber. YouTuber first, gig worker second. So sometimes I like to take a route to the boony, just for the beautiful Colorado Rocky Mountains. But anyways, yeah, man, Walmart Spark. Yeah, just multi-app cherry picked. I think if you look at the address, you can see where it goes. I'm not 100% sure. My last order goes to Idaho Springs. Yeah, Idaho Springs, which is I think 20 miles from Denver Metro, Idaho Springs. So, but it's good content from my dashcam channel. Anyways, thank you for watching, fam. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.